Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk to you about a personalized hair care kit. But before that, let me just give you a background about my hair. I have a frizzy, thin slash wavy hair. Naturally, if this is actually what you see right now, it's not straightened or curled or blow dried anything. This is how my natural hair seems and feels like without touching with any kind of hair tool. And the kind of problems that I have been facing with my hair is, of course, like any other girl, hair loss. I do sometimes get dandruff, so that I need to sometimes work on. I also want a lot of volume, so that's one of my concerns. And since it's fine, volume is my friend, just so that if you see, my thickness is not that much. So I'm always trying to see like if any product will help me to have like a hair growth or try to make my hair thick. So that's the background about my hair. And personalized hair kit that I got from Freewill. I actually found them online on Instagram a couple of weeks back, and I was like, let me just try it out and see how this range will work for me. And that's when I went onto their website and I placed an order. But placing an order is also interesting here because since it gives you a personalized kit which involves 3 products particularly. One is the shampoo, a hair mask and a hair serum. What they do is they ask you of questions that will give them an idea of what kind of hair that you have, what are your hair goals, and what is exactly that your lifestyle is all about. So it's an in-depth questionnaire that they have on the website, and once I filled that, they were able to make this kit for me and say that this will work. And so that's when I thought, like, they're putting a lot of effort in trying to understand what my hair concerns are, what my background about my hair is, and it should be good. The moment I got the product, I was actually excited to try it out because for some time I was wanting to tackle the hair loss issue that I was going on for some time. From the very first wash, I completely fell in love with the shampoo. All the products are paraben and sulfate free, so your hair, I know, is well protected. And the kind of ingredients that they have I think they have aloe vera in it, they have a ginger extract, they have some really interesting ingredients. They have keratin, they have biotin, hibiscus, a lot more there's like a list of it. But the moment I started using it, my hair started to feel a lot more smoother. And since I also have frizzy hair, this shampoo made, from very first wash, try to tame the frizz, and it was not as frizzy as it used to be. This serum has become my favorite product out of the 3, I believe, because this, I use it every day, whereas the shampoo and mask I'm not using every day. But this I do, and there's a reason why I do it, because the moment my hair, every morning when I'm brushing my hair, while it's not frizzy, I still want some hydration, some shine to the hair which it gives, because it is that lightweight. I can use it on a regular basis, and I use it from the top to the ends of my hair. My hair not only is smooth, but it also looks a lot more healthier. I've stopped getting split ends, and I've not even gotten a haircut throughout the lockdown. I actually cut my own hair once, but I've not gotten like a proper haircut, and there's no split ends. And the third product is the mask that I've been using. I have only used it, I think, 4 times because I use it every weekend, and for approximately 4 times I've used, and I still have a lot of this product. And this also is like a deep conditioning mask, which actually gives you such hydration. All of them have such nice fragrance. It's not overpowering at all. My hair fall has reduced a lot. that is like a major plus, I feel now. Initially I didn't see a difference, to be very honest. You know, couple of, I think like 2 or 3 washes, I was like, my hair loss is just the same. But after some time I noticed that, you know, my hair loss overall has reduced a lot more. Like, you know, there was times when I would just run my hand through my hair and I'd get like a lot of hair strand coming out. That stopped, and then I was like, okay, you know, it takes time, but it does stop your hair loss, and that was my major concern. And the kind of volume that I get from the product is amazing. It's not like, of course, I don't get like a huge bump, but it looks very natural, and it cleans the scalp so nicely. Yes, this is my review and my experience with Freewill. I'd highly recommend you to go check the website out on your own, fill in the questionnaire. There are 3 sets of questions that they divided into. Answer those questions to know what kind of product will actually suit yours, and from there try and use the product and see for yourself how well it works. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.